Welcome to our channel. The expat living in the Philippines. That is good now because the sun is coming out, so I can show you our quail. Yeah, the sun is coming out now, and look at our lemongrass. All my lemongrass becomes brown because of the winter. The leaves dies because of the winter, but it will come back soon. I have to clean this lemongrass later. Yeah, this is the, as I have said before, that this is the hydroponics of my husband before, but it has no more, it has not been planted now because he's not here. He's still in the Philippines, and I'm showing you our leftover quail because before we went to the Philippines, we sold some of them, and here they are. It's really good. The sun is coming out. Here they are. Here they are. Hello. Hi. Hello. Yeah, there they are. But I think I will post this in Facebook and some of the group here in New Zealand, so I want to sell them all. Yeah, that's them. We are trying to grow also quail in the Philippines, maybe next time. Yeah, they have different color on their feathers, and we have before the all white, but we sold it. It has been sold out. Yeah, it's really good. And look at our oranges. It has so many flowers here. And here also. Look at that. All the branches has flowers. Soon it have so many fruits. And this one here is the lemonade. This is the lemonade here. We buy this before last year before we went to the Philippines, and it's now fruiting when I come back. It's really good. Yeah, that's all for now, guys. It's all about our birds, the quail, and the garden at the back, which is no good yet. Yeah, it's a big job here, and Michael is not here to do it, so I will be the one to do it. Yeah, we have some red roses here at the back of our house. Okay guys, see you next video. It's getting hot now, and it's really good because we can now I can now do something outside on this garden. Yeah, I have to start put seeds on to plant on this garden because all my eggplant died. Yeah, they didn't water it. Okay guys, bye for now. Hope you enjoy the video. See you next video. Bye for now. God bless.